Hey there, budget buddies. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget. You're probably familiar with its 4 powerful rules designed to transform how you handle money. Today, we're zeroing in on one of my favorites, the roll with the punches rule. This gem is all about staying flexible when life throws you unexpected curveballs, like a surprise vet bill or a sudden car repair. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it like a pro. First off, what exactly is the roll with the punches rule? It's simple. Life isn't predictable, and your budget shouldn't be either. Instead of sticking rigidly to a plan that's already out of date, this rule encourages you to adapt quickly. The idea is to acknowledge that surprises happen and adjust your budget on the fly without beating yourself up. So, how do you put this into practice? Step 1. Spot the unexpected expense as soon as it pops up. Log into YNAB and note it in your app. For example, if you get hit with a $200 emergency, don't ignore it, face it head on. Step 2. Evaluate your categories. Look at where you have extra funds. Maybe you budgeted $100 for dining out this month but only spent $50. That's your opportunity to reallocate. Just drag and drop the money in YNAB to cover the surprise. Here's a real-life example to make it click. Let's say you're saving for a vacation, but your fridge decides to break down. Instead of dipping into credit cards, use the roll with the punches rule to shift money from your vacation fund temporarily. It's not about giving up your goals, it's about prioritizing what's urgent right now. The beauty of this rule? It reduces stress and keeps you in control. By regularly checking in with your budget, maybe weekly, you'll build a habit of flexibility that makes budgeting feel empowering, not restrictive. Remember, YNAB isn't about perfection, it's about progress. If you're new to YNAB, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a game changer for your finances. Roll with the punches and watch your money management skills soar. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more budgeting tips. See you next time.